Hi guys, Laz here, and welcome to the product section of this course. So, I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about choosing what type of store you want to run. So, this is very important, guys. There's many different options. You can choose a niche store, you can choose a general store. It might be a little bit overwhelming. You might think to yourself, which one should I go with? What are the pros and cons of each? Well, I'm here to explain that to you guys and give you guys all the details on those. So first, let's talk about a niche store. The pros of a niche store are basically it's more of a long-term thing. If you're selling the same type of products, you're focused on a specific niche, like as we are, for example, on dog products, then we're basically building a brand and we're basically building a customer base which we can retarget, sell more products to. If they bought one item from us, chances are they'll buy another one because they're already interested in these dog items. So it's a niche audience, obviously. So we can retarget them, we can sell them, we can cross sell them, we can upsell them. That means that we're selling them other products that we offer, bundles of products, all that stuff. Those are the benefits of a niche store. Now, some of the cons per se of a niche store are that you're not as flexible in what you can sell because you're limited to a specific niche of products. So keep that in mind, guys, when picking what products to sell. On the general store side of things, you have way more versatility, but that brand image is not the same. People are just going to your store because you're showing them a cool product, but chances of them coming back are very hard. Those you can still make them come back because most of the stores that I run are general stores, but it's kind of like a short-term thing. You just want to push as many products as you can at first, and they may or may not come back depending on the other products that you're selling. But keep that in mind, guys, just when choosing what type of store you want to run. And in these future videos, now in this section, we're going to be talking about products, basically the basics of product research, what we want to look for in products. We're going to be going into AliExpress, which is the main method of us acquiring products. And yeah, guys, we'll be going into this deeper in the next video. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.